Let's talk about examples of polynomial equations. First one I've written here is f of x equal to 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 4. This is a typical polynomial equation written in a standard form. Standard form starts with the highest exponent and in descending order until it ends at the constant. Another example would be f of x equal to 2x to the 4 plus square root 3x squared plus 5. You don't have to have all the terms, but you could have some of these. Now, because you see a radical here, it doesn't mean that this is not a polynomial equation. Since this is a constant, it could be a radical. The variable cannot be a radical. So this is yes. Let's have another example here. F of x equal to 2x to the negative 2 plus 3x squared plus 4x minus 3. Now, this is not an example of a polynomial equation because you have a negative exponent. Okay. Another example, f of x equals to 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus root x minus 3. Would that be a polynomial equation? No. It has a radical variable root. So that's not. No. All right. Another example will be something maybe like 2x squared plus 3 over root x. Let's just make that just x by itself like that. If you put that up, that will be 2x to the negative 1. So plus 3. So this is not, because you have the variable in a fraction format. Okay? So there you go. Examples and of polynomial equations and non-polynomial equations.